Today we talk about how can you restore purchase on your pickup. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down here, just click on it here. So when you just click on it, when you click here on me down, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on restore purchases here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to restore with you here automatically. It's going to show for you like this here. That's mean it's restore with you here on your pickup. So that's all you have to do to restore your purchases here. That's all. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.